Mozabrick is a photo construction set. Turn your photos into endless pieces of pixel art. Why endless? It allows you to recreate new pixel art whenever you want. Each set has 5 brick colors that are used to assemble the picture, and each color is marked by a unique symbol. The set includes bricks, base plate connectors, mounting tool, and double-sided tape for wall mounting. To get the photo assembling instruction, visit mozabrick.com or scan QR from the manual. You can combine 2 or 4 small sets and 2 or 4 large sets to assemble an even larger picture. Upload a picture. Select preferred assembly setup from given options. Then, you can receive the assembly instruction to your email or start assembling online. Each color is marked by a unique symbol matching the sticker on the pack. You can double tap to mark where you've stopped. Your progress is tracked in the real time, so you can use several gadgets simultaneously. If you have put the brick in the wrong place, you can easily uninstall it by using mounting tool. Connect all base plates and enjoy your finished pixel art.